To use Afterpay on eBay. Start by ensuring you have an eBay account and are logged in. Next, browse for the item you want to purchase and check if the seller offers Afterpay as a payment option. You can do this by looking for the Afterpay logo on the item's listing page. Once you have found an item that offers Afterpay, click on the Buy It Now button or place a bid on the item if it is an auction. If you are the winning bidder or you click Buy It Now, you will be taken to the checkout page. On the checkout page, select Afterpay as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Afterpay website to log in or sign up for an Afterpay account. If you are a new Afterpay customer, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and payment details. After you have logged in or signed up, you will be asked to confirm your order and payment schedule. Afterpay allows you to pay for your purchase in 4 interest-free installments, due every 2 weeks. Make sure you review the payment schedule and terms before confirming your order. Once you have confirmed your order, you will be redirected back to eBay to complete the checkout process. Your item will be shipped to you as soon as your payment is processed, and you will receive an email from Afterpay with your payment schedule and details. To avoid late fees and interest, make sure you pay each installment on time. You can do this by logging in to your Afterpay account and making a payment online. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. Using Afterpay on eBay is a convenient and flexible way to pay for your purchases over time. Just remember to review the terms and conditions and make your payments on time to avoid any additional fees. By following these steps, you can use Afterpay to buy the items you want on eBay and pay for them in a way that works for you.